Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking your MIUI version and ensuring system updates are installed. This avoids missing features. Next, open Settings or long press the home screen and tap Wallpaper to reach the wallpaper controls. Once inside, look for Auto Wallpaper or Wallpaper Carousel and enable it. This switches control from a static image to rotating wallpapers. Make sure you grant any permission prompts like storage or network, so the carousel can download images automatically. Now choose where the auto wallpapers come from and why. Select built-in categories, online collections, or your album to personalize results. Once chosen, set the rotation frequency, daily, hourly on unlock, or a custom interval, because frequency controls battery and data use. Also customize quality and download preferences. For example, restrict to Wi-Fi only and enable caching so images load instantly. These choices balance aesthetics with performance, so pick settings that match your data plan and battery needs. Finish by applying your selections and triggering a preview or unlocking the phone to confirm the carousel works. If the wallpaper does not update, clear the Wallpaper app cache or force stop and reopen it. A reboot often fixes background scheduling. Also check app permissions, disable battery saver for the wallpaper service, and allow background data so downloads can run. If images still fail, switch source to a different album to isolate whether the problem is network, file format, or source specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.